basically, we are saying now we are going to be looking at the family of ketones, right? Now, and the functional group of these ketone, it's almost the same of the one of aldehydes. But now, what is significant about this one is that now the C, right? The C that is bonded with the O, it's also bonded with another carbon atoms, right? So, which means the C is the C that is bonded with the O is also bonded with another, it is also bonded with another C's. Are we together? So basically, that is going to be your what? That is going to be your functional group of that your ketone. And now we are saying this particular ketone of ours, it consists of a special name also, which is your carbonyl, right? So this is going to be your carbonyl group, right? So this is going to be your carbonyl group here. This is going to be the carbonyl group that is going to be bonded in here, right? And now, where does this basically carbonyl come from? Probably now, this is going to be the carbonyl. Let's just leave it here for now. And now, what else can we take away from this, or rather, what can we take from this is that now it consists of your suffix. And the suffix of this is given by what? It is given by what? Our ONE. It is given by our ONE, right? Now that is going to be your what? Your ketone. Now that is going to be your ketone, which is going to be having a suffix of what? Of ONE, right? Now, and now, good people, and what I wanted to say here is that now basically your carbonyl group, the reason why we are having your carbonyl group, now let me explain this to you. Now, carbonyl group is because now it is you are having basically your carbon, your basically this is going to be your carbonyl group plus your hydroxyl group, right? Now, but let's leave these for now because this one is going to be mostly significant when it comes to our carboxylic acid. Now, so let's just leave this one for now. This is carbonyl, so it's known as your carbonyl, the group. And now the significance general formula for this is going to be given by this is going to be C, N, then this is H2 bonded with an N and an O, right? Now, basically, that is going to be your ketones. And now, that is going to be one thing that we are going to be taking out from this particular thing. And now, if we can now look at our example from this particular thing, right? Now, obviously, it can never be an ethane. Why it can never be an ethane? Because the carbon that is bonded with an O, it must always be bonded with something on the side, right? So now if let's say we are having, let's say our proper known, this is going to be our proper known, right? Our proper known, the known comes from what? It comes from the what? The suffix of ketones, right? Then prop means what? This means 3 carbon. And which means now what is it that we are going to do? This is going to be carbons 1, 2, 3 carbon. And this particular carbon here, the middle carbon, it is the one that is going to be bonded with an O. And then these other ones are going to be bonded in here. And now this here, it consists of the 4 bonds. So it's no longer going to be bonded with any hydrogen. And these ones are going to be like this. They are going to be bonded like this one here. This one here, they are going to be also bonded out together. So basically now that is going to be your proper known. That is going to be the significance of that.